Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear parents and cadets of new class 8th entry 2021, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The purpose of this short video is to welcome our new class 8th entry 2021. I must congratulate the parents and the cadets to have been lucky that you are selected in Bakhtavar Cadet College, which is Pakistan's first girls cadet college and one of the best institutions to have joined and have been amongst those very fractional population, female population in Pakistan. Our college is structured and designed, built up to cater for not only to train you and equip you to have academic excellence, but also to be the female leaders of Pakistan in the future. Also to make you a responsible citizen, develop your personality to be a productive person of the society in Pakistan and also to be a good Muslim. We make sure that not only we give you the best education, the best environment and best coaching, but we also ensure that your personality is developed like good leaders who can not only make decisions, productive decisions in the integrated cohesive society with positive thinking, but with a Muslim religious orientation. I can proudly say that up till now, myself, our complete team at Bakhtavar Cadet College, including your teachers, the management and complete staff has got the vision, determination and the purpose and aim to fulfill all whatever I have said so far. Our core values and the vision is also subjected and integrated to lead all of us and to you to the same direction. Dear parents, you are very lucky that your daughters have got admission in Bakhtavar Cadet College, and after having spent 5 years with us, inshallah, I assure you that you will find a difference in your daughters. What difference will that be? That your daughter will be academically more excelling. She will inshallah compete wherever she goes, she will stand out. The next which you should take pride in our system of education and in system of training and grooming, that is to make your daughter a very positive thinking, religiously oriented as a good Muslimah, and to be a good human being not only in your family but also in the society. She will be able to positively influence not only whatever the organization or the profession she selects, but even in the family life, she will be a very, very positive and productive, useful member. The difference between a normal college where you can have a good education for your daughter and our college is that we not only ensure good education, but we also ensure good personality development and the equally social and religious balance in your daughters. I can assure you that at your homes, you cannot create. I, being a parent myself, I can say with authority and guarantee, and being the principal of this college, that none of the parents can create those kind of conditions and environment where in today's era, for example, I can say you that your daughter is completely isolated from the social evils prevailing in the society for 5 years. And not only that she is isolated, she is also groomed to remain aware and strong to protect herself from such evils. That's a very big satisfying factor for any parent. Second, as a parent, you should be that your daughter or your son, everybody is in a good health. We give the best food to our cadets. I can say, and I can say with challenge, that our menu is best amongst the cadet colleges of Sindh. We ensure the best quality of food is given to your daughter. We create best physical environment where your daughter is kept physically fit, mentally alert, and emotionally stable. Also, we equip your daughter with a very balanced education, by the religious awareness and religious Islamic education. Our daughters regularly, our cadets and your daughters, they regularly attend Jummah namaz at the masjid, and during Ramzan, they definitely attend the Taraweehs in the masjid. Of course, this is not compulsory, this is optional. But I am happy to see that 70 to 80% of our cadets, they happily come to the mosque to offer Jummah prayers and also the Taraweehs during Ramzan. Now, this is a complete environment. Our college is like a house and a home to your daughters. Dear cadets, you are coming to a very prime and prestigious institution. If the female population of Pakistan is around 11 crore or 12 crore, 51% of the total population, and out of that, of your age, which is 12 to 18 years, supposedly there are about 2 crore females who falls in your age group. So out of 2 crore, there are only 2 cadet colleges at the moment, girls cadet colleges. Bakhtawar Girls Cadet College is the first, and the second one is after us was the Mardan Girls Cadet College. If we suppose, say we are taking about 70 cadets and they are also taking about 60 or 70 cadets. So this makes about 130 cadets in out of 2 crore. So you can see yourself that out of 2 crore, you are the lucky ones to have got admission into a girls cadet college, whether it is Bakhtawar Cadet College or the Mardan Girls Cadet College. This in itself speaks that you are very, very blessed and special girl and a person to have got this opportunity. My advice to you is that come happily, come cheerfully, and join the Bakhtawar Girls Cadet College as a family member. Once you will be coming away from your mothers, from your family, sisters, brother, father, everybody, initially you will have a sort of sense of isolation, a sense of being away from your family, and there will be definitely stress and psychological pressure. So come mentally prepared that you are joining a cadet college where you have to live for 5 years. If you are willing to do that, only then come. We will be very, very happy to make you be part of the family. Your elder sisters, your seniors will be here, your teachers are like your mother, and I am like your father. I will and we all will inshallah provide you a homely atmosphere. But we cannot be substitute of your parents. Dear parents, my advice to you is that particularly the mothers, you are sending your girl and your daughter for a noble purpose, for betterment of her life. So some sacrifices have always to be given. There is a famous quotation in English which says, there are no gains without pains. So the parents and the cadets both have to bear the pains for their bright future, for their personality, good personality development. And the daughters shall at early age, the cadets at early age shall be subjected to those cycles of life where they have to become a very useful member of the society and serve not only their families by earning good names, good academic records, but at the same time becoming a very useful, productive, positive member of the family, of the society at large. Dear cadets, we are sorry that we delayed you joining Bakhtawar Girls Cadet College, but you understand that due to the COVID environments, it was not possible for us to call you earlier. We would love to have you as early as possible with us. You are like a flowers to our garden, and you are the stars in our galaxy. Without you, this college is nothing. It's just the buildings. You are the stars. You are the flowers. You are the stars of the galaxy. You are the flowers of our garden. So we would definitely like to take care of you, and we would love to have you as early as possible with us. I'm sure once you join us shortly, in the next few weeks or days, I'm sure you will also be so happy, and we will also be so happy that our entry and our cadets are with us. We, at the end, myself, my team, assure the parents and the cadets that we will try our best to come up to your expectations. And same way we expect you, the parents and the cadets, that you will also try to come up to the expectations of the nation first of all, of the province, and then of the college. This college is financed by the Sindh government, and there is a huge amount which is spent on you people. The fees which we charge from the cadets is very fractional of the budget which we spend on you. So you are lucky that the facilities which we provide you, the best education environment, best coaching, best health facilities. We have got 24/7 doctor who shall be looking after you, along with nursing staff. We have got the best messing facilities, the best quality of food, the best menu, and cooked in the best possible manner. We have got the best hostel facilities. We have got the best sports and entertainment facilities. For example, we are probably the only cadet college with such a covered 24/7 and 365 days swimming pool, the best gymnasium. We have got all sports facilities like indoor and outdoor both, and you will be provided every opportunity to look after yourself, to entertain yourself, and to take care of you. Your teachers will be like your mothers. We have got the best teaching staff, we have got the best management staff, and they have got a spirit to serve you and this institution, and then the society and the Pakistan. Let's have a vision, let's have come with the aim and a commitment that in the quest of excellence of knowledge, education, personality development, we will remain committed, determined, irrespective of whatever difficulties we may face. At the end, I pray for your good health, for your family's good health, for our complete Pakistan, and of course the complete humanity to remain safe from the COVID environments, and protect yourself, look after yourself while you're traveling to join the college. Try to remain happy, try to remain cheerful, and try to remain positive. At the end, Pakistan, Zindabad, Bakhtawar Girls Cadet College, Paindabad. Khuda Hafiz.